श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। ॐ मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्त कौमुदीयं विरच्यते। अ इ उन् ऋल् ऋक् ये ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् ळण् ञमगणनं झभै घढ धश् जबगडदश् खफ चटथ चटतौ कपै श सर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि. So we were seeing Vyor Laghu Prayatnatarah. Vyor Laghu Prayatnatarah Shakatayanasya. According to Shakatana Acharya, Bakara and Yakara should be Laghu Prayatna. Whatever Laghu Prayatna is. Okay. So next sutra, Oto Gargyasya. Oto Gargyasya. Oto Gargyasya. Otah Gar सूत्र ओतः गार्ग्यस्य. ओतः पंचमी, गार्ग्यस्य षष्ठी. Okay, so okarat paras, according to the sutra, what do you understand? Otah followed by okara, whatever is gargyasya. According to Gargyacharya, meaning there is a choice, right? So remember that Shakatayanasya, we remembered there is a choice, right? So Gargyasya Acharya also there is a choice. Now okarat parasya padantasya alaghu prayatnasya. Alaghu prayatnasya. It is not laghu prayatna. I made a mistake while reading in Tamil. Alaghu prayatna. It is not laghu prayatna. Okay, because otherwise what I was raising the question also. Laghu prayatna. Why did he bring in laghu prayatna and remove that laghu prayatna in the very next sutra? So that is not proper. A laghu prayatna. It should not be laghu prayatna. Laghu prayatna means your effort should be even more reduced. Yakara is reduced effort, but even more reduced effort you have to produce the yakara or vakara. That is alaghu prayatna. Laghu prayatna. So that alaghu prayatna, where you don't reduce the effort, for that yakara and vakara, meaning the original yakara and vakara before Vyorvali, for that nityam lopahasya. What? Nityam lopaha syat. Nityam. Remember that. Why? Because he said Gargyasya, and when we said Gargyasya, we saw the Acharya's name and we decided it is choice. No. When we said Gargya here, we are not talking about choice. Why? Gargya Grahanam Pujartham. Why did we take the name of Acharya? For respect. That's all. So that is for in respect we took the name of Acharya. He has taken the other acharyas. For this itself shows the greatness of somebody. To take the name of someone and show his respect, show your respect, that needs a lot of character and strength, because we are designed in such a way, or we designed ourselves in such a way, we cannot tolerate others' greatness. So this Acharya, no, Gargya Acharya says, but what does he say? No. Gargya, there was an Acharya called Gargya. He also accepts that. That is the idea here. Okay? Gargyas. See, Shakatayanasya, there is a choice, so you have to take. There is no need for Gargya Acharya to be, that name to be taken. But still, to show respect for those kind of people who also were there in the tradition, he uses that name. That is what I am talking about as character. Bho Achyuta. Lagu Prayatnamakshe Bho Agachyuta. So, Bho Achyuta, Yakara gets dropped, elided. And if Lagu Prayatna in that situation, Yakara is not elided because of this Sudra. Therefore, Bhoi Achyuta. Bhoi plus Achyuta, Bhoi Achyuta, Ajina Parina Sayujam. Padantasya kim? Why did you say Padantasya? Because this is, he said Padantasya Alaghu Prayatnasya, because this Padasya Adhikara. Okay? He says Padantasya kim Toyam. Toy plus Toyam. Yakara should not be dropped. We'll come to that in the teacup. Okay. Oto Gargyasya. Ota iti panchami. This ota, the word is panchami, fifth case. Okay. Vyoho ityataha yek grahanam anuvartate. Vyoho, from that vyoho, not vakara, only yakara is carried forward to this sutra. Remember that. Tadanta vidhi. न तु वकारः, न तु वकारोऽपि, not vakara also. Otah parasya tasya sambhavat, because when preceded by o, there can be no vakara. There can be only yakara. That is the idea. Okay. Padasya ityadhikritam yakarena visheshyate. Padasya, that is adhikara sutra, and that is an adjectified for yakara. Yakara padasya, padasya yakarasya, like that. So since padasya yakarasya we say, then yena vidhi tadantasya. Therefore we will have to say padantasya yakarasya. That is why it says tadanta vidhi. Okarat paro yaha yakaraha tadantasya padasya. So okara followed by that whatever yakara is, that yakara padanta yakara, for that whatever happens. What happens is not said there in that previous line. Now Alontya paribhashya padantasya yakarasya iti padhiyam. Where will it take place? Padanta yakara only, the change will take place. Bho bhago iti ityatah ashi iti anvartate. From bho bhago ago apurvasya yoshi, you are only carrying forward ashi. In this sutra he is going to carry forward only ashi. The next sutra he is going to only carry forward bho bhago ago apurvasya. The idea is, see, भो भगो अघो अपूर्वस्य 8317, व्योर लघु 8318, and this sutra gargyasya is 8320. If you are going to anyway carry forward yakara, why not from bho bhago ago apurvasya yo ashi? So even from the bho bhago ago apurvasya sutra you can carry forward yakara and ashi anuvartate, but he decides to only cut a piece of this vakara yakara and only take this vakara, not yakara, only yakara, not vakara, whatever reasons that may be. So lopa shakalyasi iti lopa ityanvartate. Lopa shakalyasi, from that lopa only that is carry forward. If you bring in shakalya, then there is a choice. We don't want that. Okay, there is already gargyacharya. Sacha purvita lagu prayatnasya na bhavati vidhana samarthya, and that lopa will not take place for the lagu prayatna. Why not? Because vidhana samarthyat means there is, this previous sutra has prescribed that. In previous sutra you prescribe, and the next sutra if you are going to cancel, why prescribe itself? So for that reason we are not bringing the lagu prayatna yakara tadaha. That is what I said, okara adityadina. No lopasya katham nityatam. How can you say lopa is nitya? What is your problem? Gargya grahanadityataha, because you have taken the name Gargya. The sutra says otah gargyasya. Since the name of Gargya is there, Nacharya's name is taken, you should not do nitya. It is not, should not be done always. It should be in choice. For that he says Gargya granam pujarthamiti. Vyakhyana. I don't understand. You say Shakalyasya, all these names as choice. When it comes to Gargya, you say no, there is no choice. Say one thing very clearly. If the Acharya's name is taken, should I take it as respect or choice? It doesn't depend upon your idea. That is why he says Vyakshyanad iti bhavaha. Vyakshanam eva sharanam. That is one statement which we have to remember while studying Sanskrit. Vyakshanam eva sharanam. We have to take resort only to the commentary. There is no other choice for us. If the commentary says you take it as puja here, you take it as respect here, you take it as respect. If the commentary says you take it as choice here, you have to take it as choice. There is no idea, logic behind that. It is only the commentary's idea. Bho achyuta iti. Alaghu prayatna vakshe yakarasya nityam lopaha. When there is no laghu prayatna, then yakara gets elided always. Laghu prayatna vakshe bho achyuta. In laghu prayatna, when you are going to do laghu prayatna, there is lesser effort, then bhoi plus achyuta it becomes. There is no lopa elision here. Atra laghu prayatnasya vidhi samarthyat na lopa. Why? Because laghu prayatna he is bringing again the same idea. Laghu prayatna, there is a vidhi. Based on that vidhi, we are not doing a lopa here. Toyamiti. For next example, padanta second. That is he is answering that. Atra yakarasya padantatva abhavat. In this toyam, yakara is not padanta. Oto gargyasya iti na bhavati. Therefore, this oto gargyasya, which only takes place for the padanta yakara, does not take place. अनेनत्र भो भगो इति नानुवर्तते इति सूचितम्. And there is a beauty here. By bringing this, he also, by saying that only for padanta it takes place, he also shows that for bho bhago, from bho bhago ago apurvasya you took only ashi. He says bho bhago ago apurvasya cannot be carried forward here. Only ashi is carried forward. Okay, iti suchitam. We iti we next sutra. We cha pade, we cha pade, we cha pade. So we cha pade, we follows seventh case. We saptami cha avyaya pade saptami a saptami. Okay, avarna purvayoho padantayoho yavayoho lopa we pade. Avarna purva, there is avarna followed by padanta yakara vakara that gets lopa when followed by we. Okay, when followed by we. I un rulr ke wong I wo chai wala tlan nyamang anam jabai we, right? No, this we is not a jabai we. It's a funny thing. This we is a word. We is a word. It is like a, like they use these words. Oh shit, oh no, oh wow, like that. That's, see, we don't have. Or ooh, they have this expression ooh. That's ooh is from this we. So in Indian regional languages, I think the Bengalis use we kind of words, we ish, etc. So that this word is used there. So that is the we are talking about. So sa u ekagnihi, sa u ekagnihi, sa u ekagnihi. That u is we. Okay, sa plus, actually sus plus u, sar plus u, sai plus u, yakara gets dropped because of this sutra. Okay, sa plus u, sa u ekagnihi. He is just an ekagni. He just has one fire. He has just done practice in one fire. Meaning, see, there are three agnis. In that, he is practicing only one agni. He is using only one agni. Okay. Pade kim tantra yutam. Why do you have to say pade padantasya yakarasya? Why? Because tantra yutam. Tantra yutam. Here the yakara is not pada. It's not in the padanta. Tantre plus utam. Tantre plus utam. Iko enachi. Tantrai plus utam. Tantrai plus utam. No, a plus utam. So echo evayava. Tantrai plus utam. I plus uta, ayuta, tantra yuta. That is what is the word. Okay. So veyaha samprasarane rupam. That u you see utam in that is not this we, this word, but that is the word which is samprasarana form of vein. Vein is the root word. Veyah tantu santani is the dhatu. Veyah tantu santani. Tantu santani. Tantu means thread. Santani means to correct. Meaning to weave. To weave. Vey, weave. Vey is weave. Okay. Vey, weave. They are, weave probably is from that root word. Wave. Okay. Vey. Yakara is anyway lopa. Vey only remains. So from with that way, when you do samprasarana, what is samprasarana? Igyanaha samprasaranam. See, iko yanachi. In this place of ik, yan takes place in yuko yanachi. Okay, but samprasaranam is reverse of yuko yanachi. In the place of yan, ik takes place. In the place of vakara, in the place of ukara, vakara takes place in yuko yanachi. In the place of vakara, ukara takes place in samprasarana. That is the difference. Okay, yaditu पदविदक्तो निवादः ईङ्ग्रीष्यते तर्हि उत्तरार्थं ग्रहणं पदग्रहणं. See, if you are going to take the pradipadika we, not the we here, then this sutra is for next. This sutra is applicable, useful in the next sutra. That is the idea. Okay. भो अच्युत तो we च पदे ठीक है. Apurvasya iti padasya iti vyoho iti lopa iti anurtati. He said very clearly where from where and all, what and all sutras are carried forward. Apurva padasya vyoho lopaha chaitya anurtati. From which sutra he didn't say, that we know. Lopa shakalyasya vyoho lagu prayatna shakatayanasya, then apurvasya go apurvasya, from there padasya adhikara. Okay. So u ekagni iti. U iti nipata. U is the nipata word. Okay. Nipata ekachanang. Single charactered meaningless word. Sas plus u it is the. Sas plus u. Sas plus u. What happens? Ru. Sasya ruhu. Sakara gets ru. Sakara gets ru means saru plus. Upadesha januna it sar plus u. Bo bhago iti apurva apurvatvat yatvam. Since in bo bhago ago apurvasya sutra there is apurva. Sakara has apurva. Sakara plus akara plus ir. So since it is ru is apurva, yeah, refa gets yakara. Sai plus u. Sai plus u. Lopashakalasya iti vikalpa nivrityartham idam. So when this is the situation, sai plus u, lopashakalasya comes and plays a choice here. Oh, there can be lopa sai plus u, there can be no lopa sayu. Sai plus u or sayu, there can be two forms. To negate that idea, this sutra comes, no, there is no choice here. Vakara udaharanantu, but this sutra applies only, see, lopashakalasya applies for yakara and vakara. Now this sutra, vakara udaharanantu asau ekagni iti vritti. In asau ekagni, there is this usage. So there vakara also is applicable. Yakara vakara yoho lopaha. That is what he said, right? Iti. Pade kim, why did he say pade? What does that mean? Uya padatva abhyavicharat pade iti tad visheshanasya kim prayojanam iti. See, uyaha never slips away. Abhyavichara means never slips away from being a pada. It is always a pada. You don't have to say pada. Or uya is a pratipadika, it can never become a pada. That way also you can interpret. But here, this is the first way is the right part. Okay. Now he says, why do you have to give padasya? Because vyartha visheshanada dosha, as we explained earlier. So the adjective will become useless. Useless adjective should not be said anywhere. So he says, why did you say pade? Tantra yutamiti. In this place, there is this necessity. What is that? Tantre plus utam iti vigraha. Tantre plus utam. That is the vigraha vakya. That is the expansion. I adesha. Tantre plus utam. Yecho yavayava. I. Tantrai plus utam. Ajinam parena sanyojam tantra yutam. Okay. That is why he says, atra ekara se lopa nivrityartham padakaranam iti bhava. So to remove the ambiguity that otherwise yakara will be elided here in tantra yutam. To remove that situation, we are going to say pada. If we say pada, since yakara is not of pada, not in padanta, this will not apply. Nanu atra ui parakatva abhavadeva lopa nivrityam bhavat padakaranam vyarthameva iti. See, in this word, there is no ui. Therefore, there is no possibility of lopa. Again, therefore, there is no necessity for using the word pada. Pada disease veya iti. I'll explain why it is necessary. Vei tantu santane ityatah. In the root word vei tantu santane, we forgot to repeat. Vei tantu santane, 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 to weave. So with this vei dhatu, you bring in kta. Kta tavatu nishtha pratyaya. Kta. In kta lashakuttadite kakara goes, only ta remains. Ve plus ta. Okay. Igyana samprasaranam, ve is replaced with u. That is why he says vachiswapi ajadinam iti vakarasya samprasarana ukara. Vachiswapi ajadinam. Through that sutra, samprasarana take place. So samprasarana take place, vakara gets u. Puru rupe. U plus a puru rupa u plus ta uta. Uta iti. And with uta, you are going to bring uta plus puru rupam utam. Okay. Utam iti ami purvaha. Utam iti rupam. Okay, that is the situation. अत्र उयि परकत्वे अपि तस्य उयः पदत्व अभावेन अभावात् तस्मिन् परे यस्य लोपः न भवति इत्यर्थः. Careful here. What is the need for being careful? I'll explain this. Atra uyi parakatve api. Though there is uyi following it, still tasya uyah, tasya, okay, tasya, for that uyi padatva abhava is not pada. Okay, therefore tasmin pare, when that follows, when that kind of the uyi which is not a pada follows, yasya lopaha, yasya is not for which, yasya which becomes lopa. No, yasya is yakarasya lopaha. That is what we have to tasya, because tasya is for that, yasya is for which. So tasya yasya, that is not here. Yasya is like sasya. Okay, so yasya yakarasya lopaha na bhavati ityartha. Yakara will not become lopa. That is the idea. No, no. स उ एकाग्नि इत्यत्र उयि प्रतिपदे उक्तः चादौ प्रतिपद. स उ एकाग्निः, there उयि is प्रतिपदे उक्ता. That is प्रातिपदिका, because it is in the chadi gana, akriti gana. We saw yesterday, we saw chadi is akriti gana, the last gana, the last group. Okay, so utam ityatra tu uyi lakshanika. In the uta, uyi is lakshanika. Uyi is not directly said. In sa u ekagni, u is a direct word. In uta, utam, u is transformed from way, etc. It is not a direct word, it is a transformed word. So he says lakshanika, it is implied from way. Therefore samprasarana vidhi nishpannatva. That is because, why do you say indirect? Because it is gained, it's not directly gained, it is gained through samprasarana. Okay, so tatasya, therefore lakshana pradipadayoho hridattasya graham, there is a paribhasha. He is introducing us to the paribhasha also. When there is lakshana and pradipadaika, meaning when there is a direct meaning and then implied. Lakshana is implied meaning. Okay, pratipada is direct. When there is a direct and indirect possible, you should have to always accept the direct, not the indirect, not the implied. Okay, that is what is the paribhasha. So chadipaditatsya eva uyaha grahanam bhavishyati. Therefore you are going to accept only the chadipadita gana, whatever is said in the specified in the chadi gana, not the Vei samprasarana ui. Therefore, natu atra utam ityatra uyam bhavati. So therefore, the uyaha from uta is not accepted. Ataha, for this reason, therefore, padagraham vyartham eva ityata, you need not bring in the word pada. It is useless any which way. You cannot support the word pada here. For that he says yadi iti. Okay. Finally, what you said is seemingly right. Okay, even if you want to stick to that, fine. Uta arthamiti, uttara arthamiti, namo raspadachit namun nityam, for that sutra. Namo raspadachit namun nityam, for that sutra, where we'll have in plus ma. So we'll make it into same chit plus mayam, chin mayam, chit plus mayam, nam. Rasva, Namuta always takes place. Chit plus Mayam becomes Chin Mayam. Namuta. Okay. So he says, based on this rule, this sutra, he says, for that sutra, etacha eva bhashyas. For that sutra, we are using this pada. How do you know this? How do you know that this is to be used? This can be used for the next sutra. Etacha atra eva bhashya spashtam. This idea is very clearly specified in the bhashya of this very sutra. If you don't want to use it for that reason, you can use it for the next sutra reason. Next sutra. Hali sarvesham, not next sutra here, next sutra there. Hali sarvesham, hali sarvesham, hali sarvesham, hali sarvesham, hali saptami, sarvesham, sarvesham, in for everyone. So saptami. Sashti bahuvachana. Sarvesham, in case of everyone. Bho bhago ago apurvasya laghu alaghu uchcharanasya ekarasya lopaha sarvesha syad hali sarvesha matena. What does Sutra say? Bho bhago ago apurvasya. Okay. Yakara, yoshi, yakara. Whether the yakara is a laghu or alaghu does not really matter. That yakara gets lopa when not followed by ashi, when followed by hali. According to sarvesha matena, according to everyone. Bho devaha, bho lakshmi. Oh de, bho, respectful sir. Like, okay. So, oh deities, Mr. Deities kind of. Okay. Bho lakshmi, Miss Lakshmi, Bho Vidvat Vranda. Vidvat Vranda. Vidvat means Vidvan means learned men. Vranda means group. Group of learned people. Oh, group of learned people with respect. Bhago Namaste. Sir, I salute you. Agho Yahi. Sir, please come. Deva Namya. The deities are to be saluted. Deva Yanti. The deities are going. Halikim. Why do you have to say Hali? Deva iha. Even it is not followed by hali, deva plus iha. It is not hal. Hal is all the consonants. We are talking about iha. That is a vowel. So deva plus devai plus iha. If you do lopashakalyasya, deva plus iha, deva iha. If you don't do lopashakalyasya, devai plus iha, deva iha. Okay. So two forms. Hali sarvesham. Bho bhago ago apurvasya iti anvartate. The whole sutra is carried forward except for yoshi. Okay. Yor lagu prayatnata ityata yakara grahanam anvartate. That is why yakara is carried forward from yor lagu. Okay. Bho bhago tadaha bho bhago ityadina. That is what it says. Bho bhago ityadina. Lagu alu ucharanasya iti. Okarat parasya yasya. Okarat parasya yasya. Not. This is yakarasya. Okay. Okarasya parasya yasya lagu prayatnatarasya eva anena lopa. So lagu prayatna only gets lopa through this sutra. Alagu prayatna? Why not? You say lagu, alagu. That is what the sutra says. It says alagu prayatnatarasya tu okarat parasya yasya oto gargya siti eva siddham. It is already established. Oto gargya. Through oto gargya itself, that gets lopa nitya. Sarvesha matena atra api nityameva. Here also it is nitya. That is the idea. Okay. Yakarasya iti, whichever way they are both going to go. That's the idea. Yakarasya iti, vakarastu atra nanuvartate. If your vali from there you are going to only carry forward yakara, not vakara. Why? There is no possibility. Bhobago apurvasya vakarasya abhavatiti vrittihi. In bhobago ago, there is no possibility of vakara. That is the idea. Followed by bhobago ago, there is no possibility of vakara because bho becomes boy. It can never become bow. That is the idea. Okay. Avyapare iti nirdeshadite tadashya. Avyapare. That is how it is shown in that avyapare. Vakara pare. Now, vakara yakara pare. Vriksham vati iti vrikshavaha. Vriksham vati iti. Va gatigandanayoh sutra dhatu. Vriksham vati iti. That which carries the tree. The wind. Okay. So, vrikshavaha. Tam achaste vriksham. Because air is that which carries both the tree as well as the smell, fragrance. Okay. Tam achaste iti. That which practices this kind of state is vrikshav. Okay. Nyantat pip. Because it is nyanta shabda, quip comes. Vrikshav plus ni, vrikshav plus quip, quip sarvapahar lopa, it makes it pada. Ishtavad bhavat ti lopa. Ishtavad bhavat, therefore ti lopa. Ti lopa means near anity iti ni lopa. Ni also gets lopa. Ni also gets dropped. Therefore, vrikshav karoti ityatra. Vrikshav plus karoti. In this situation, apurvakasya vrikshav, kshu plus plus u. Apurvaksya, the vakara is preceded by a. There is a possibility. You say there is no possibility. There is a possibility. Sambhavepi. Though there is a possibility, no lopa prasakti. There is no lopa possibility here. That is the idea. Yoi ashiti anuvartya ashatmake hali iti bhashye vyakshyatatvat. Carrying forward ashi, in the bhashya, we said only hali and followed by hali. But in the bhashya, he is carrying forward the asha And he explains it. It is the hull which is of the form of ash. So they should combine whatever collides, whatever is the middle set, that which is common between ash and hull. Only there this takes place. That is the idea. That is how Bhashya explains it. Vrikshau hasaditi tu tasmadev bhashyat asadruti. In Vrikshau hasadi, it is not colliding in the ash. Therefore, it doesn't become drop. That is the idea. सर्वेषां मतेन सर्वाचार्य सम्मतत्वात् अयं लोपः नित्य इति फलितम्. Because it is accepted by all the acharyas, the lopa is always taking place. The lopa takes place always, like in the case of Gargya Sutra. Okay, we'll see this. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudaccate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Shishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.